Hello and welcome. Today we are unboxing the OnePlus 70 Pro. The variant that we have comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. You get the phone inside a tall red box. Let's see what inside. The first thing you see is a large red envelope with the documentation for the smartphone. Right below is the OnePlus 70 Pro itself. The one you see is the glacier blue color variant with a vertical camera module at the back. It does look every bit a flagship smartphone. The red envelope has a bunch of documents inside, including warranty information, user guide, and a letter from the OnePlus founders. Inside the box, there's a TPU silicone case for the phone. It fits snug with the phone and protects it from accidental drops. You get a warp charger that tops up the battery of the OnePlus 70 Pro with 30 watts of power. Then there's the red USB cable that can be instantly identified as a OnePlus accessory for the color. The OnePlus 70 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC with OS X inside. There's a 90Hz QHD Plus AMOLED display and a triple camera setup at the back. So that was a quick look at the OnePlus 70 Pro and what you get in the box. Thanks for watching.